Andy Kindler, everybody, in case you wanted to know who this is. But some of you, I'm sure, remember Andy when he played the breakout role as Andy.
Can I have some juice, please?
Everybody Loves Raymond. Do you have a joke for Mac?
Yes, I do. Okay, so this Jewish lady, her husband dies, so she wants to put an announcement in the paper. So she calls up the paper and she says, how much does it cost to put an announcement in? And the guy says, $5 a word. She goes, oh, very expensive. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, put this in. Saul died. And the person goes, oh, I'm sorry, ma'am, there's a 5-word minimum. Okay, put this in. Saul died, Volvo for sale. Couldn't care less about her. Couldn't care less about her husband.
That's one of my favorites ever.